Hello chatters, this is Mikael. What's up? Makaka-chat ko na kayo today, right now. So, log on to gmanetwork.com/livechat. And syempre, kasama ko rin si Gabby Eigenman, Gilbert, and Andrea Torres, Cecilia.
Hi chatmates! Super na-excite ako nang malaman ko na makaka-chat na namin kayo. Dahil we've heard so many great things about the loyal Capucho. Ano ba yan? Loyal Capucho chat is here!
Umiinit kasi dito eh.
Gusto ko ng Pucho.
At syempre, alam namin na marami pa kayong questions about our show. Sana ikaw na nga. Tungkol na rin sa mga latest happenings sa amin. Kaya ano pa bang hinihintay ninyo? Send in those questions at simulan natin ang chat.
Official.
So, is this rolling the whole time?
Yes.
Yes.
Yay!
Virtual.
Sorry na, ako. First time ko sa ganito. Para akong caveman. So, okay, first time mo ba ito rin yan?
Yeah, dude.
Talaga?
Live
So
chat.
we are
Usually
all
tape.
tatlo.
rookies.
Tape chat.
Usually tape chat.
We are
It's
all
live.
rookies. Okay, so guys, before we start, we're also chatting with people on Twitter, so join us on Twitter also. I'm Mikael Daez, that's straight.
Andrea E. Torres.
And Gabby Aiken. Wow.
Ang dali
Yes. Sa lahat kami, may Instagram rin kami, except for her. Pero kailangan kunin namin ng iPhone si Lisa.
Wow!
Wow.
Napaka-ano naman ng mga leading man.
Pero syempre, aabono lang niya sa amin. Okay,
Burn
so
na,
let's go,
ha?
let's check. I hope you guys have some questions in already. If you
Yeah.
don't, then I will.
Or else we'll
Ayan!
Ah, no! 2 questions! Hello to Rocky the
Are you
Firewoman.
serious?
Love you.
Oh, may question.
Oh, okay, okay. We'll go. Read.
Read ko ba? Pakita ko na lang. Ayun, oh.
Hi, Gabby.
Read mo naman habang
Hi, Gabby.
nag-type ako
Ano
dito.
sa tingin mo ang asset ng mga Aiken?
Yan
I guess yung I think the passion for their work. I think hindi pag sinabi Eigenman nandun yung pag sinabi mo Eigenman, the clan, which is yun nga magagaling daw na artista. The passion for work, the love for work. Oo, asset.
Ayop. And guys,
Paano
para
ba
lang
yan?
alam nyo, grab a copy of Cosmopolitan September issue and look at the studometer. Kasi nandun si Gabby Aiken.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Katabi ni Christian Bale. So if
diba?
you guys, whoever
Yeah,
has a
really.
copy of Cosmo magazine,
Ako ba yan? Baka
please
hindi ako yan,
take a picture of that feature,
And
the
tweet nyo
studometer.
sa amin.
And tweet namin. Para may pakita namin dito sa mga tao.
Baka hindi ako yan. Baka si Jeff yun.
Umiinit na si Gabby Aiken man.
Yeah.
Oh, may question para sa'yo, bro.
Mikael.
Miguel, before you became an artist, anong yung profession or ginagawa mo noon?
From May Love, 17.
May loves.
Hey May, how are you? Actually, I was studying. So right after I graduated, medyo sumegway ako sa mga fashion show.
Yes,
Whoa!
one other.
And anong tawag dito? Dumiretso na ako dito sa GMA. So I actually wanted to be a banker. Because I graduated business management. So to all the finance geeks out there, nerds, yeah!
Rock
Kasama ako
on.
dyan!
Ito.
Para sa'yo.
Andrea, ano ang mas challenging for you? Maging si Cecilia or si Olga? From Lou
English.
Engels.
Angles.
Engels.
Isip ko Engels or Engles. Ako, ano ba? Siguro mas challenging yung Cecilia kasi very emotional si Cecilia. So, ang dami mong kailangan, alam mo yun, parang hugutin. Tsaka parang mas fulfilling rin siya for me kasi parang ngayon na ako gumagawa ng heavy drama talaga. So, pag nagagawa ko yun, parang, ay, iba yung feeling. Okay. So, Cecilia. Ay, may
Yes.
pizza!
So, meron kami pizza and
Nauna na si Growing Boy.
Bakit growing
Ako.
boy? Explain mo
Bakit
sa kanila.
tawag
growing
namin
boy?
sa kanya Growing Boy kasi kahit ganyan yung katawan niya at kahit nag-cosmo siya, grabe siya kumain.
Grabe.
Alam mo siya lang yung nag-cosmo
Grabe.
na 1 week before kain siya ng kain. Hindi ko alam kung saan man napupunta.
alam mo guys, mga kapuso, nadadaan lang talaga yan sa prayer. Sabi ko na,
Sige lang.
Lord, sana ma-digest yung food.
tagal
Sana
lang yan.
mawala yung
Tagal na ginagawa yun.
So guys, cheers! Eat, be happy!
Si Mikael kumakain pang 3 tao.
Ano naman?
Parang gusto ko yung pizza.
Hmm. Si Andrea naman, kailangan i-unlock para kumain. Ayaw niyang kumain.
Iyak.
Hmm.
Kumahiya.
Ay mo.
Sige lang.
So lahat kami may parang
Guilty.
quirks kami. So ako, parang 2.5 lang na tao kumain. Si Andrea, hindi kumakain. Si Gabby, hindi natutulog.
Yeah.
Twilight, diba? Rob Pattinson, stud beater.
Kasi ayoko makuna ng picture na tulog.
Yun nga.
Pero
Dahil
lahat
siya
sila meron
tutulog,
na.
kinukunan niya kami tutulog. Nakatatlo na ako.
Oh.
You can check it out on his Instagram.
Sarap ah.
Fresh mo din.
Mm.
You know. Pwede.
Pwede.
Hindi nagtanong kung pwede daw kami bisitahin sa taping. Pwede, pero busy kami. Basta kailangan tapos na yung DF eh. Kasi night, kahit magdamagan. Pwede.
Oh. Yes.
Just bring food.
Yes.
Bring
Okay,
food.
okay. That's a rule.
Yeah.
Kaya
If
may
you want to
food.
visit us in taping, ang ticket nyo ay pagkain. Favorite ko, halo-halo. And pichi-pichi.
Ako,
Guys, requests?
ano yung buong pandan?
Buong pandan.
Pandan.
Andrea.
Ako kahit anong dessert, kahit anong bread.
Bread.
Lahat ng pampataba.
Coffee, pare, coffee. Gusto ko coffee.
Gusto mo coffee?
Oo, coffee. Kahit anong coffee.
Ice or ice or hot.
Pero usually, pag past 6 p.m., gusto ko ng steak, lasagna, so roast chicken, lechon. So, kung kaya nyo.
Growing boy.
Okay, I will reply.
Yes.
Okay, ano. It's fun. It's fun. Yung mga phone-in questions. Phone-in questions.
Kung hindi ako masagot, may 50-50 ba ako? Or ask a friend?
So, gusto yung naka-full pa, tapos sisilipin lang. Pass.
Tapos ka na? Ang pizza mo?
Yes.
Oh, to all. Oh guys, from Sailin,
Hindi ko malito.
Abel, sino ang pinakakasundo nyo sa set or shooting? Anong mga discovery ninyo sa isa't isa? Wow. We start with ano?
Hindi ka,
Isa
Ed.
nagtatype.
Go. Kayo muna.
Tinuro
Sino
talaga.
daw ang kasundo mo?
Lahat naman.
Di ba?
Oo, kaya nga
Ah,
saya
sila.
kahapon eh. Kasi para kaming
Actually, lahat ng
nasa outing.
cast nung show, nandun kahapon sa taping. Lahat
Kasi
kami
kompleto.
magkakasama sa eksena, kompleto kami. So, it was the first time ata. First time na magkasama
kompleto.
lahat. Yung kasama sa StoryCon, kasama
Nandun din.
sa press launch nandun sa taping kahapon.
Kaya
Actually,
masaya, lahat
magkakasundo.
nagkukulitan, tapos lahat din nagsusuportahan pag may eksena. Parang kahapon, may eksena ako todo iyak. Lahat sila talagang, uy, tubig! Tapos may mga may gaganon
Oo,
sa'yo.
pinapatukan
Oo.
siya, umiyak. Diba?
So, masaya.
Umiyak ka. Dalawa ka lang.
I-discover niyo sa isa't isa. Ayun nga, na si Micaela pa kalakas kumain. Si Gabi mahilig mag-picture for tulog.
Tutulog yan. Oo, no. At
Si
pinaka,
Cecilia,
ano,
mahilig sa chocolate cake.
Oo, wow.
Lagi
Pwede
na
natin isa-isahin din, eh. No? Si,
Oo.
okay, si Ina Asistio.
Lahat ng mga pang ano sa phone.
Yeah,
Yung
mga apps.
Mga kailangan sa
mga
phone.
apps, mahilig mag-download siya.
Lens, mga yan, apps.
Ang pinaka nakakatawa doon sa set, si
Marky.
Marky tsaka si Jace.
Oo, yung dalawang tandem yung
Yes, the
dalawang
bromance.
The bromance.
The Dandoy and Alvin bromance.
Bromance.
Nag-aagawan kay ano.
Esme.
O ito, isa pa to everyone. Kung mabibigyan kayo ng chance na mag-remake ng isang GMA favorite soap, ano pa ang gusto nyong gawin? Or role na gusto nyo from Kapuso Fanatic?
Ikaw ba?
Ay.
Ba parang ako kasi lahat ng soap alam ko sa Ako talaga.
Si Gabi, historian.
Hindi,
Lahat
ito,
alam niya. Very educated
wait,
sa
ah.
showbiz.
Tsaka ganda ng imagination.
Going back sa mga hindi pa ata ako pinapanganak, yung Heredero. Heredero, Agila.
Munting
yan.
Heredero.
Ano po ba?
Oh, munting heredero.
Oh!
Well, actually,
Grabe ka!
Yes.
Pwede bang Pwede bang paki-focus? May beef na!
may beef na lalaglag. Oo, okay lang yan. Kakainin pa ba ito ni Growing Boy?
Hindi na. Kakainin ko sana.
Ang laki pa nung beef eh. Anyway.
So anyway, as I was saying, di ba't ikaw? Yan, yung mga soap noon. Bias ba ako? Kasi I was part of it. And actually, madami. Lalo na yung kasagsagan ng mga Korean novelas eh. So,
Oo, mga
Ano
ganda
pa ba?
yung Korean novel.
Donghee. Dongi.
Dami na natin questions. Ano nangyari dyan?
Oh, ayan.
Okay guys, give me a second. I'm just eating my pizza. I will get to you
Very
soon.
important
Nalalaglag
to.
na nga yung beef ko sa
Correct.
Guys, think of your attitude.
Ayan. Oh. Yes. Gusto mo sabihin ko yan?
Gusto mo?
Yeah, no. It's okay. It's all fun naman. Go. Answer. You can answer some of them
Ang
already.
cute.
Pag si Andrea magbasa niya, mas maganda. Ito, para kay Andrea. Tsaka sa inyo. Actually, sa inyo kasi kayo mas madaming kasi.
Ayan o, may Gabi. To Gabi, Andre, and Mikael.
Ano ang pinaka-challenging scene ang ginawa niyo?
nyo?
From Baby Lunag? Baby Lunag. Lahat
Ang
challenging.
dami.
Kasi ang dami niyang ginagawa.
Ang
Cecilia,
daming big
Olga.
scenes. Oo, ang dami kasing big scenes. Parang si Cecilia, ang dami nangyayari sa kanya, di ba? Sinugan siya, tapos nakidnap siya. Lahat yun mga ano eh.
Ayan.
Sobrang.
Yeah. Ako, abangan nyo na lang. Kasi lahat naman ng eksena for me is challenging.
Ano naman?
No, I agree.
Kaya kasi you need challenge eh. Pag walang challenge, wala.
Pero alam niyo, yung pinaka-gusto ko sa grupo, na very serious kami sa ano, is craft namin, sa acting. Pero diba, honestly talaga, we do find everything challenging at nagtutulungan talaga kami to look for ways to get better. Of course, we have the great Jackie Ackerman here, so we try to learn. So we try to learn from him. No, but it's true, diba? I mean, I believe
No, we learn from
talaga-
each other.
Yeah,
We
I
learn
believe
from each
talaga that this, each taping that we have is a learning experience. And I think you guys would agree na with each taping day, gumaganda yung chemistry natin.
Yeah.
Oo.
Gumagaan yung atmosphere sa taping. So,
Tsaka maganda, hindi mo na kailangan magtanong. Talagang kunyari, pag may napuna, like si Mikael, pag may napuna siya, sabihin niya agad, si Gabi, ganun.
Yeah, we help each other kasi this show that we're doing, it's not because it's our job, it's not just our job, it's gusto namin kayo ma-entertain eh, and in order for you guys to be entertained, we have to do things right, and you know, for you.
Lalo na
for you
malaki
guys.
ang expectations nila from sa akin talaga. Kasi ba yung dati, sabi naging hit. Si Mikael, kinukuha yung beef ng pizza ko. Si
Iba yung
Mikael,
nalaglag.
yung kanya.
Ito, from Elsa and Elena. Ano ang kinoconsider niyo yung turning point ng inyong career?
Ako ito, syempre. Bilang ito yung first na lead ko talaga. So, very ano talaga, parang baby ko to, yung sa akin.
Well, to me, to me, everything is a turning point.
zigzag tong zigzag yan.
No, but you know, actually, one of the greatest show that I did was Munting Heredera. I guess that I consider that my turning point in my career. So,
Where I must say that I awarded
yes,
first
Hey.
act.
Oo.
May connection
Malain
kami
mo
dati.
yun.
Yeah, oo, no.
Malain mo yun.
So,
Now, here we are. Sana ikaw na. Ikaw.
Yeah,
turning
as for
point.
me, of course, every project is, I agree. Every
Yeah,
project is a
there has
turning
to be a
point.
turning point.
Kasi you don't know naman where that project is going to lead you.
Yes.
Hindi namin alam kung maganda yung pagtanggap nyo sa sain bago pa umere o hindi. So, pabali-bali yan. And, you know, we can only hope and work hard na masustain namin ang ratings yun. And we can only do that through your support. Pero, I guess, one thing I can say is, sa Amaya, My Beloved, and Sain, I've enjoyed and I've
Yeah.
made good friends. Ako talaga, it's all about the experience.
Experience.
So the people whom I meet, who enjoy my work with, that's important to me. And so far, I feel very lucky na sa lahat ng project ko, I've had good experiences and I made very good friends.
On that note, cheers.
Yes.
We actually have quite a lot of tweets here on Twitter and...
Doble ang chinecheck niya ni
Questions.
Mikael,
Wow.
Twitter plus live.
Oo.
Okay, game.
Every
game,
segment.
game. So let's
Padagdagan,
refresh-
padagdagan.
Let's refresh this. Hi, Gabby. We know how good an actor you are.
Yes!
Hindi ka ba na-frustrate na nalilinya ka sa supporting roles? We know you deserve lead roles.
Wow.
Okay.
Sagutin ko ba yan?
Serious question, ha?
Alam niyo
I-tweet niyo po si sa taga-GMA. No, well, to me kasi it's not about, it's a job, it's a profession. So, any character that's given to me, I just portray it. There's no big roles naman and there's no small roles. It's just, how you make this role important?
Actually, higing big role siya dahil ang galing mo pinopursue.
Wow!
And actually guys, sa totoo lang, binasa ko yung question na yun for Gabby because I knew he was gonna answer it very well. Sa totoo lang, hindi, no, but really, seriously diba? Seriously speaking naman, ako kasi I'm very much into my work. I try to be very passionate and really try to love my work. And ako na-inspire ako sa mga tao, you know, who love their work also. Not necessarily because they think they're the best, but they show talaga na talagang isinasabuhay nila yung work nila. And I can honestly say na
Wow. Kayo,
Nakaka-inspire, nakaka-inspire sila.
on that note, magpipizza ako.
nakaka-inspire talaga.
Nakaka-inspire talaga si Gabby.
Diba? Pero ganyan naman talaga. I think that people who enjoy the work are worth watching.
Oo.
We all try to enjoy our work here.
Yeah.
Regardless of the roles. Walang roles. You know, everything you do in your production, in your team is important and will help in making that project successful.
Yeah, and
Lumalalim tayo sa live.
totoo. Then, tsaka the
Sumiserious
word
tayo
support
dito.
kasi, if you look at it in the bigger picture, literally, as co-actors man, we support
Oo.
each other. Kaya yung mga titles na lead, support, it's well, basta pag-passionate ka naman sa work mo, those titles are not really
Not
needed.
important.
Well, sana rin, no?
May pamundo.
Pahabol ba? Okay lang, kahit ano. I like to be bad. I like being bad.
He's a bad boy.
Ano ba? With your daddy.
Ano na yan?
Ang dami natin. Ang dami nyo ng mga tanong. Hindi ko na kaya.
Kaya mo yan.
Kailangan, kaya mo.
Vlogger ka.
Guys, I'm trying. I'm getting there. I'm answering all your questions. I think some of the questions na lumalabas dito, ipapasagot ko na lang on air. So I hope that those who are chatting with us are also watching kasi isasagot namin. At sana po may speakers kayo, you know, turn off the mute on natin para makarinig nyo ang aming mga sagot. So next one. Oh, go. Which do you want?
Kamusta naman po kayo sa taping? Ano pong reaction nyo nung nalaman nyo na magkakasama kayo sa Sana Ay Ikaw Na?
Okay, go.
From
Riza.
Riza.
Kayo, sagutin nyo. Makain muna ako.
Oh, okay, ikaw na. Umiksena ka na, Andrea.
Ano ba?
Makain muna ako.
Syempre, ano ba, every time may malalaman ka kung sino yung makakasama sa cast. Kasi nung una, ang nalaman ko pala si Micaela. So every time may nalalaman ako na artistang kasama din sa Sana Ikaw Na Nga, lalo kang na-excite.
Hindi mo alam na kasama ako?
Nung una, hindi ko pa alam kung sino.
Ako, alam kong kasama ko
Tapos
kayo.
nung nalaman ko nakasama si Gabby, sabi ko, shucks, mapapasabak ako dito.
Ako, alam ko kasama ko kayo eh.
Talaga na.
Oh, okay, I want to say hi to JR. Yung anak ni Talita.
Hello!
Hi.
Of course, shout out to Gels, Rocky.
Oh, Jel.
Hi. Hi,
So,
kay
Mariel and Mary.
Maria Angela. Hi.
Okay. I like this one. Favorite song nyo?
Wala
Wow.
akong favorite.
Heaven Knows. All time.
Tara,
By Rick Price.
sample.
Pag nalalo ko na to.
Hindi, gusto ko yung may projectile eh. Yung lalabas. Diba? Parang may fireworks habang kumakanta.
Wala akong favorite.
Go.
Usually kung ano talaga yung
O,
madalas
sige, para mas
pinapatuto.
madali. Right now, off the top of your head, any favorite song mo?
Right now.
Labas yung iPad mo or yung phone.
Ikaw na sana.
Ako. Wait. Off the top of my head, the first song that came to me was Payphone by Maroon 5. I really like the old sound of Maroon 5, pero very catchy yung mga songs nila ngayon, diba? And I think, are they coming?
Tapos na. Tapos na.
Tapos na, dude. Last year pa.
Ganun ba yun? Sorry, I'm a year late. Okay, let's see. What else? Okay, so
Ayan.
someone said, hi, just want to say congrats and keep the good work, guys. This person is stealing some office time to chat with us. Not safe for work, but thank you, I
Huwag natin
appreciate
sabihin
you.
kung sino siya. Mahuli.
Sasabihin ko ba yung pangalan? Alam ko lang. But thank you for joining us.
Ito rin, thank
Hi,
you.
Joshua Will.
Ang ganda po ng Sana Ikaw Na Nga. Ano po bang mga aabangan namin sa Sana Ikaw Na Nga? Ayan, mapagtatapat na si Cecilia at ang fake Cecilia. Kasi lagi nila nasusulipan yung isa't isa. Pero ngayon talagang face-to-face na sila. Tapos si Dr. Ricardo Peron, papasok na si Mr. Justo. So lalong gugulo.
Wow.
At papasok
Yes.
na rin si Gabby.
Oo,
Gilbert
abangan niya,
Zalameda,
abangan niya.
malapit na.
Maggugulo ako.
Yes, and I'd also like to say hi to Michelle Ong, Mark. Who else is here with us? I think Wacky, or yeah, everyone else. Thank you for the question. Ang dami na. So we're really, really answering the question.
May question for you, oh.
Okay.
Sir Mikael, what topics do you blog about? How do you find the time to write despite your busy schedule? Ay, ito nakakatabi ko ito.
There's no time to write. There is no time to write.
Habang naglalunch
There is
kami,
no time to
nag-vlog
answer
siya.
your questions. No, it's difficult. I have to admit, it really is difficult.
Pero masipag siya. Masipag.
I'm
Oo.
still adjusting to my schedules. I think I need to, level up my time management skills. Dagdag lang ng experience points nun. But there, I really enjoy writing. I think it's my way of sharing to all of you my experiences. Because I'm sure, if I were in your place, as a viewer, iniisip ko rin, ano kaya ginagawa nila dun backstage? Ano kaya pinapag-usapan nila?
Kaya may journal
So
siya
ako,
eh.
for me, I like sharing it with you. And you can follow me at my blog. I have 2 blogs at the moment. www.mikaeldaez.com and juice.ph/blog/mikaeldaez. And makita niyo mga pictures nila kasi sila lang naman yung nakakasama ko.
Yeah.
So it's full of Gabby and Andre, to be honest with you. And of course, if ever I have a column on a broadsheet, Philippine Sun. Nasabi ko na. Hindi ko alam kung bawal eh. So, nasabi ko na every Sunday. And sooner or later, I already have one feature on Science, but sooner or later, I will come out with a newer, better, and bigger feature for everyone.
Hats off, masipag. Masipag talaga. In spite of
Very busy.
all the work that we do. Like, we don't sleep. Go to the set at 7, finish at 7 the next day. Nakakapag-deadline pa siya.
Dead talaga. Dead lang.
Dead.
Actually. Wala naman. Dead. Dead. Okay.
Ay, gusto ko to. Hello?
Okay, go.
Hello, ako po ang #1 fan ni Gabby Eigenman. Super fan, avid fan. Bongga, grabe, super bait nyo yan. Super bait po niya ni Kuya Gab. Hello, Kuya Gab. Award-winning actor ka na.
Yes!
Yes!
Okay,
Ano
I
galing?
asked,
Ano galing?
yes, kay Gabby's #1 fan.
Pangalan
That
pa
is
lang.
the,
Actually, ako yan eh. Ako Wow, thank you.
Actually, can I just say na kanina pa yan, and to Gabby's #1 fan, ask us a question. So,
Yeah.
sasagutin niya ni Gabby. We're following you. I am following you.
We'll answer that.
So, ako nga pala yung administrator, keyboard master dito for Sain. Dual role. May TF yata ako dito.
Per letter ba yan?
Per letter na
Wait,
tinatawag.
tinan mo. Hello po sa inyong tatlo. Pwede po ba pasample?
Huwag mo sabihin na. Wag. Gusto ko.
Ako,
Pizza
sasabihin ko pa nagpapasapa ng Oppa Gangnam Style. Pero hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam
I've
kung
never seen the
paano.
video, but I know for certain na panood na ni Gabi yung video.
Napanood mo na ba?
Hindi pa.
Opo,
Hindi ba?
Hindi pa na ba?
Okay.
Papatulong kami na try namin.
Okay. So maybe,
Naaliw lang.
Maybe yun yung finale namin. Pagbigyan mo naman kami. Pizza counter. You guys can tweet me how many pizzas have I eaten.
Five na?
Five.
Five.
Five na?
And
Plus beef ko.
One beef.
One beef from mine.
Okay.
Ayun, may movie ka daw, di ba, dude?
Yes. Hindi pa siya finalized and everything, so I don't know what to say about it.
Okay.
Pero so far, GMA Films will be coming out with a movie called Konyo. Project title, Konyo Problems. Pero hindi po yun yung final title. So when I have more details, pag nag-storycon kami, I will let you guys know ASAP. Follow the vlog. To be Ate Andrea, pwede po magtanong, saan at paano kayo na-discover?
Ako?
Wow.
I will reply while you
Actually,
tell your life story.
Ako yung lumapit.
Ikaw naka-discover.
Ako ang nagpa-discover sa'yo. Hindi kasi matagal ko nang gustong mag-artista. So kaya talagang lahat ng audition pinupuntahan ko. Talagang sinusuyod ko lahat yan. So ako mismo yung lumapit. Ako yung gumawa ng way para makilala ko ng mga tao sa business. Pero dito sa GMA, na-discover nila ako sa isang commercial.
Wow.
Doon nag-start lahat.
The rest is history. Galing.
How about you, Gabby? I'm curious. A lot of people, have you made kwento yet how you entered? Kasi I remember at first you weren't considering it, di ba? Parang nakwento mo yata
Looking
sa
back
akin.
at 1990s. No, when I started being a commercial model. I started when I was like 5 months?
Nice. 5 months?
5 months
Grabe.
old. 5 months old. Tapos I never really, parang was never, parang hindi ko talaga nahiligan na pumasok sa showbiz. Even if my family is in the business for the longest time. Sabi ko, gusto ko maging commercial model lang. But then, would you believe I was supposed to be part of the original Gopings?
Why?
Yeah, we were
Pero
supposed
what
to be
happened?
6.
What happened?
Usapan namin ng dad ko was to graduate first in high school. So, when I graduated high school, take off na sila eh. Si Mark Anthony, Joe Marie, and Eric Proctoso. Nauna na sila eh. So, doon na nag-start. When I graduated, I was doing SOP, doing Balibasa Lalaki.
At least, diba,
ended up,
sumunod ka sa ano,
found a home. Si GMA. Huwag nyo nang tanongin kung ilan years ago. Halatang halata na eh.
Di naman. Kala ko nga mga ano ka lang. When?
Wow! Pizza pa!
Wow, go! Pizza pa!
Bawat compliment
bawat
ako.
compliment.
Pizza.
Pizza out.
But I'm
Huwag
just
na masyado,
typing
ah.
for you guys. So I'm sacrificing pizza for you.
Gusto mo ba subukan kita?
Wow! May question para sa'yo.
Okay.
Sinili? Sinili? Hi, Andrea. Ano ang nickname mo or pet name?
Hulaan nyo. Ay, hindi ko
Wala
marinig. Hulaan nyo.
Pantay natin sa mga kata.
Hindi, ano? Ada.
Ada. Ada.
Ada.
Ada girl. Ada girl.
Ibig sabihin na Ada Fairy. Or Happy.
Wow. Nice. Talaga? Talaga.
Mikael.
Ito kay Mikael.
Go, go, go.
Ano sa
Sagutin ko,
tingin
yeah.
mo ang mga challenging role na pwede mo maging project in the future?
Marky Star.
Okay. One thing I always say is, any role that they give me naman is challenge. I mean, at one point kasi, medyo baguhan pa ako eh. Ito yung pangatlong proyekto ko pa lang sa GMA. So kahit anong ibigay nila sa akin, hindi ko pa nagagawa naman. Ay, hindi ko pa nagagawa. So itong Carlos Miguel, yung ganitong tipong character, hindi ko pa nagagawa. And if ever sa next project may ibigay silang bago rin, masasabi ko na, okay, bago rin to. So it's gonna be challenging. So like we said, every role is a challenging role. Kasi kailangan iba naman yung story, iba na yung mga kasama mo, iba yung production staff, iba yung expectations ng mga tao. So for me, I find every role challenging. Ito paraan ko rin yan para i-motivate yung sarili ko para to push my limits and look for a way to improve.
Speaking of motivation, may nagtanong. Si
Yes.
Ainaho 3. Hi, Gabby. Nox. Ano ang motivation mo in doing contribute roles? What you see is what you don't do. Hindi, motivation, I just be the character. Once dumating yung script sa bahay, I don't read it as Gabby. I read it as whoever the character is. Talagang pinapasok ko na talaga sa isip ko. I try to be the character kagad. It's hard to be bad kasi I'm really good in real life.
Okay, guys, can we all tweet that? Sabi ni Gabby Eigenman, it's hard to be bad because
I'm really
I'm
good,
really good
in real life.
Okay, I'm gonna tweet that and then please retweet. Let's see how many retweets we're gonna get. Okay, but before that, I think you have to shout out to Maria Angela.
Oh, yeah.
Because she is your
number one fan.
And
Maria Angela.
she's been sending in so many messages.
Wow. Ikaw talaga yan. Ikaw na yan. I receive pinapollow ko rin siya.
Talaga?
Yeah, because I met her sa Santa Rosa. She cried when I met her. It was an unforgettable experience na for her and also for me. Natutuwa ako kasi continuous talaga ang pagsuporta niya sa akin. Thankful ako. Don't worry kung ano man pinagdadaan mo. I'm here for you.
Totoo yan.
Totoo yan.
Magaling mag-advise yan.
Just tweet me kung bahala sa'yo. Lapit na birthday niya sa January. Oh!
Tsaka,
close kami!
Tsaka i-retweet mo na tong tinitweet ni Mikael ngayon about Tinotoo niya.
Tinotoo talaga.
Tinotoo
It's
niya.
hard to be bad because I'm good in real life. Didn't say that right.
Okay. Ako nga, I don't know if I typed it right so basta retweet nyo na lang yan.
No, I love being bad.
Okay, so... So, what else can they look forward to? Do you guys have anything else? I mean, Andre, why don't you tell them what else you're doing for GMA?
Ako, every Tuesday and Thursday, chika minute. Habang wala pa si Miss Pia.
Yeah, ako, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Sorry ko na.
Speak with us.
No, but, hindi, during like pastimes, kung ako magtatanong sa inyo guys, yung, like, what do you usually do pag walang taping? What do you do aside from, you know, like the weekends, pag walang taping? What's your normal life?
Ako, gym. Sobrang, grabe ako magbuhat para makakain ako ng lahat ng gusto kong kainin. Yan, kaya nataka sila, bakit kain to ng sweets, ng burger, ng ano sabay-sabay, pero ba't daw hindi tumataba? Kasi grabe rin naman ako magbuhat, talagang pahirapan talaga.
Magaan siya ngayon. Binuhat ko na.
Oo, lagi niya ako binubuhat.
Magaan.
Ikaw, hindi mo pa ako nabubuhat, no? Hindi pa, di ba?
Hindi pa kasi kayo Olga siya.
Oh.
I don't know. Ay, hindi,
Hindi na.
nabuhat ko na siya sa first Party Pilipinas.
Oo, first
production
dance
note.
number.
Wow. Sample nga.
Ah, sample.
Sample daw.
So, let's see, what do I do? On a normal day, let's say walang trabaho, let's say walang project. On a normal day, usually I stay home. I do go to the gym, I play basketball. Aside from that, I like driving eh. So I drive up to Tagaytay, or I go to Subic, and then minsan inaantay ko yung mga piece of fare sa Subic, sa Cebu Pacific.
Yes, travel.
Pag may piece of fare, di ba? Bibili na ako niyan.
Just to travel. Yeah.
So, I do like traveling and I look for my friends. I really always look for my friends. Kasi pag may trabaho, almost never get to see them. So, ako, I like being around people. Just so you guys know, I have 7 brothers and sisters.
Wow.
2 out of 8. I am number 2 out of 8, by the way. So, sanay ako na maraming tao yung kasama ko sa bahay. I hate being alone. So, hey, if you see me alone, say hi. Say hi.
Oh, yan yung mga movie.
Oo. Libre nyo, libre. Dala ko lang.
Ikaw?
Ako, I'm a mall rat eh. Pag walang work, I love watching movies. I don't do shopping a lot. Pero once I want something, lalo na yung ano tayo eh, techie.
Yes.
iPhone 5, yung mga ganun, mga
Kaabang
bago.
talaga yan.
Ako kasi, like, I only shop parang one time, big time. It's like buying a car, yung ganun. Unlike yung iba, talagang shop for clothes, shop for shoes. Simple lang. I love basketball. I play and I join a fantasy league. So, yun lang, simple. For me, that's normal.
Okay yun.
Oh, and guys, I just like to say hi to everyone. Marami nag-hi rin dito sa live chat, and I will say hi na lang here kasi it's hard to reply to everyone. So I want to say hi to Chester0813. I want to say hi to Riza Bornel, Josh Iril,
Yes.
um,
Mike.
Mike, Nick Sapay, something like that.
Chapi.
Yes, so of course, Gabby's #1 fan, Maria Angela.
Yeah,
right?
Hernandez. So,
So,
sinabi ko na lahat.
say hi to Jels, Jennifer, I love Ruru. Who's Ruru? But hi. And hey, it's Lay. Of course, Michelle Ong, Mark 30, Mark Calmerin. Hey, how are you? I hope you're not at work. Pinky Porky.
Cute.
Hi, hi
Cute na
Pinky
name niya.
Porky. I like your name. So kung may maganda kang English name, mapapansin kayo.
Basta keep on asking. Okay lang.
So,
We'll try as much
yeah.
as possible. We'll try
Reply.
to reply and answer all your questions.
So, and then a hi to also to Hayley Babe 06. Hayley Babe. Something like that. So, let me look for a few more questions here that we can answer. Alam mo yung napapansin ako dito, guys. Tingin ko dapat kausapin na natin si Tita Lilith.
Bakit?
Sign the talk show! Yes! Every Saturdays and Sundays after Party Pilipinas and after
Why not,
show
diba?
on Saturday.
Why not? Gusto ko
Diba? Why not?
Sa in weekends.
Sign
Sign
weekends. Diba? O, guest namin, sina Jay, Smarty Lopez, ina-assist.
Pakita nila kung gaano
Segment
kagulo.
hosts natin, diba?
Oo.
And then we invite all the other casts from the teleserye. Gumawa ng show!
Gusto ko yan.
No,
Why
but
not?
no. Ako, I've, as you guys might have noticed, I like talking. Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
I like talking
Sign
and,
talk show.
you know, Gabby likes imagining different things, you know, with like the stories and scripts.
Yeah.
So,
Ako frustrated writer.
And
Frustrated
then,
writer.
Andrea is a host already, so, diba? I mean, wala lang, diba? These are things that we all just enjoy doing. We're just like normal, everyone else. We just talk, baguhan, lokohan.
Yeah.
I think it's important that we enjoy kasi
No, that's what I always tell them naman eh. Like sa set, it's the camaraderie, like off-cam is one of the most important things pag dumating ka sa set, pag dumating ka sa tape. Kasi once you're on, like pag nagte-take na kayo, alam mo na eh.
Madaling
madali.
magkapaan.
Oo, kasi you're friends off-cam eh. Pero pag hindi kayo magkasundo off-cam, ang hirap. Kasi nagkakapaan kayo. And so far, on the scale of 1 to 10, we're 11.
Oo.
So close kami talaga lahat. Masaya
Ang
kami.
gulo talaga.
Masaya.
Kaya
Riot.
sana makavisit sila, no?
Oo. Don't forget to bring food.
Importante. Yan.
Ang dami nagpapagangnam style ah.
Kailangan turuan nyo kami kung paano. Why not?
Gangnam style ah. Wow, prosthetics. Sinagot ko na. Well, ito may question for Andrea. Kay Chismis Circle 2012. Paano mo naiiba-iba yung character mo sa side? At ano ang motivation mo?
Ano naman kasi si Cecilia at si Olga, extremes naman sila. So talagang medyo madali naman sila mapagkaiba. Pero syempre kailangan hindi kayo malito. So, kukondisyon mo rin yung sarili mo every time gagawin mo yung Cecilia, every time gagawin mo yung Olga. Motivation, siguro yung mismong story talaga. Kung ano yung napagdaanan ni Cecilia, ano napagdaanan ni Olga. Para kung ano man yung ma-feel mo sa eksena, yun yung dapat. Kung ano yung intensity o ano.
Mahirap yung ginagawa. Very challenging.
Pero ano, I have support team.
Wow, of course.
Amen.
Actually, Andrea, I think you should make a kwento about your prosthetics. Kasi a lot of people don't really know how that happens, diba?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ano yung pinapagdaanan mo when you put on
ilan
your
minutes,
prosthetics?
kinakabit.
Matagal.
Ano yung feeling,
Parang
diba?
30 minutes to 1 hour. Ang daming patong, tapos mainit siya. So kapag napapawisan ka, hindi mo mapupunasan yung pawis. Mararamdaman mo lang siyang tumutuloy, hindi mo siya, wala kang magawa talaga. So as much as possible talagang pinapaypayan or nasa aircon
So,
ka lang.
question, follow-up question. Mas gusto mo bang suot yun ng 12 hours o tanggal balik?
Tanggal balik na lang. Ay, hindi! Ang hirap
Oh,
din
diba?
magtanggal eh.
Ang hirap din
Hirap
eh.
tanggalin ng glue.
It's hard. Para naman to
Pero ano, ang sarap ng feeling pag tinatanggal ko na.
nakakahinga. Nagganyan din ako. Sarap.
Oo, yung sa'yo, kalahati,
Oo,
no?
buong katawan.
Kalahating katawan.
Well, ito para kay Mikael.
Sino?
Wow.
Hindi ano. Sino?
Ang inspirasyon mo sa iyong
acting career.
Inspirasyon.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, I find a lot of people inspiring. O, diba, sabi ko nga lang, yung love for acting ni Gabby Aiden, that's very inspiring. Diba? No, really. Like, you find inspiration in very weird places. Actually, I have to say that I was very, very inspired. Just yesterday, taping. Our double for Andrea was there, and you know, I was talking to her. She was very, very into acting, and then she showed it. Like, umeksena kami, parang we were doing the confrontation scene. So, kailangan may double si Cecilia and Olga. Habang, diba, she can't split herself into two. So, I was talking to her, and then, you know, you could see her passion when she was acting. So, for me, that's very inspiring. I mean, she isn't a regular character, pero binubuhos niya, diba? So, I find a lot of people inspiring. A lot of people talaga. The people I've worked with in the past, si Timmy Eigenman, si Lucero.
My brother. Yeah.
Brother from,
Yeah.
yes, he's Gabby's brother. Very inspiring. Kasi yun ka talaga, if you see na mahal ng isang tao ang ginagawa nila, I mean, how can you not be inspired? Diba? Talagang nakakagana eh. Nakakagaan ng pakiramdam eh. Diba? Kahit sa gym, pag may nakita kang macho, maganda, parang mapagym ka talaga, diba? Or parang gano'n, no, diba? But I mean, I'm sure you guys get that feeling naman. We all do. So, I think that's
Passion for work talaga.
Speaking of, ayan.
Ako ba yan?
Gabi.
Tinatago.
Tinatago niya
Question eh.
Gabi,
Hindi kasi.
you've grown up to
Hard.
be a very good actor. Ano sa tingin mo ang sikreto mo?
It's never a secret. Yun nga, passion. Passion for and not for anything. Some kasi they would say it's either you're born with it, or it's either you learn it and you hone it. Sabi ko, whether you're born with it or not, when you want, and when you have that passion to learn, when you have that passion to do things na you really want to, makukuha mo yan. You have to have your goals talaga in life. Especially kasi hindi lang acting yan eh. Kung gusto mo maging doktor, pag may passion ka, mag-aaral ka eh. Mag-aaral ka, paghihirapan mo. And you'll always have to put your feet on the ground talaga.
Parang open ka pa rin na
Open ka pa rin.
mag-criticize
Yeah.
ka ng mga tao.
It's all, everyday life naman is a mistake that you have to straighten out. Para siyang ano eh, obstacle na hindi mawawala yan. Pag straight lang lagi yan, why live in this place pa, di ba? You always have to, there are times you have to always take the left, take the right, to learn. Di ba? So it's not a secret. It's just have that heart, that passion.
Love it!
Oh, ito.
Yeah.
I guess para sa
High
atin,
moments,
Oo.
low moments.
Can you
deep,
share?
shallow.
can you share us secret that most people do not know
about you.
Okay, marami ako niyan. So kayo na muna. Marami ako sasabihin. I will
Pero
reply to
kasi
everyone.
secret nga eh, ba't ko sasabihin? No, but most people that na hindi nila alam sa akin is, I'm a Marvel geek. I collect toys. I collect
Talaga?
toys.
Ay, nga, hindi ko nga alam yun ah.
I collect Marvel figures. Geek talaga. I'm a Hulk and Thor fan.
Ako?
Tsaka New York Knicks. NBA. New York Knicks, kita mo yung phone ko.
Oo. Itong dalawang to pa nag-uusap tungkol sa basketball. Wala na.
Ikaw, Andre.
Ako? Ang tawag sa akin ng mga tao sa bahay, mambubulok. Kasi ang hilig kong, napaka-sentimental kong tao, hilig kong magtago ng mga kung ano-ano may meaning sa akin. Like yung may dal ako, since 2 ako, ando na siya sa akin. So,
Kahit naiihiyan mo at mapanghina.
hindi yun. Basta yung mga,
Parang
kunyari,
ulan lang yun eh.
kunyari may nagbigay sa akin ng chocolate or ano, yung box na
Hindi mo kakainin yung chocolate.
Gupitin ko yung box na lagi ko lahat sa scrapbook. Kaya sa scrap na parang
Wow, now that's something. Talaga.
mahilig ako mag-ano. Na-effortan ko.
Nag-iipon ng abubot. Na memorable. Yeah. Sentimental value.
Yes. Ikaw?
Ikaw,
Oh, me. Let's see. What can I say?
are you ready to let it out in the open?
Yes, actually ako naman marami akong mga, there are things I like sharing na medyo weird about myself. One thing is that I think it's a Filipino thing. Sa tingin ko, marami akong kasama sa ginagawa ko ito. Kumakain ako ng lasagna or pasta, spaghetti. Usually parang pasta. Kinakain ko with rice. Rice?
Wow.
Kasi talagang equal
Carbs on
portion
carbs
ha.
on carbs.
Walang kanin tas karne. Walang ganyan sa akin. Kanin, tapos pasta. Carbs and carbs, di ba?
Carbs and carbs.
Pinoy style yan, Pinoy style. So, that's something about me that not a lot of
Bakit?
people know.
Parang pansit tsaka kanin or pansit sa
Diba?
pagkasal.
I think mahilig na talaga yung mga Pinoy dyan. Like, kahapon kumain ako, ice cream, tapos pandesal.
May kilala ko, sinigang tas ketchup.
Wow! Ano yun? Hindi parang kaldereta. Maasim na kaldereta.
Diba? Titimbal
Kumbaga.
yung sinigang tas ketchup.
So, yeah, I think that's one thing about me that a lot of people don't know. So, and yun nga, I love math. Yes.
Math?
Yes. Mukhang may love-hate relationship
Ayoko rin
yata.
ng math eh. Ayoko rin.
So guys, I'm sorry, I am a self-professed math geek. I am not
Talaga?
kidding.
Nice.
As in offer ko sa mga kapatid ko na ako gagawa ng accounting and finance nila pagtanda
That's
nila.
nice.
And actually, I do it for my brother already. My older brother, my mom in the house. So if you guys need me to help you guys, I'll get you money. No, no, but really, ever since, that's why I said before, gusto ko sana maging banker. Kasi dati, mahilig ako sa math and mahilig rin yung math sa akin. So parang may two-way relationship kami ng math.
Ang galing.
But yeah, that's something about me that
I
a
didn't
lot
know that.
of people
Galing,
don't. Yeah, that's one thing about me that a lot of people don't know. And yeah, I really always like sharing, and I hope you guys get to share your experiences with us also. You can, like I said, I will say it again. You can tweet us. You can talk to us on the live chat.
Send us your picture by Instagram.
Pagkahalata, ang
Yes.
tagal ko mag-typo compared kay Mikael.
You can comment on Instagram. You can comment on my blog.
Yeah.
So there are so many ways to reach out to us, and kami, this group specifically, we always try to reply. Right now lang, we are at 150 plus, I think maybe closer to 200 questions na hindi ko pa nasasagot pero wala dun yung typing skills ko. Hindi kinakayanan ang mga questions nyo. But I will try. I really will. So if ever you guys can tweet us your questions, if ever hindi kami makareply by the time this live chat ends.
Try ko. Again, Twitter name, Gabby Agitman. Andrea E. Torres.
Busy, nagtatype.
Ang
Si Lola, mabagal mag-type si Lola. Okay lang.
Samantala si
Okay, and of course, my Twitter is @Mikael Daez. That's the same as my Instagram account. So,
Instagram ko is GJEnix.
okay. At mga kampanya na rin ako. I will campaign for Andrea E. Torres to finally get an iPhone!
Yes.
Para may
Instagram
Instagram rin
na
siya, di ba?
iPhone 5.
So guys,
iPhone 5, iniingin namin.
Andrea, para kumuha na ng iPhone and she can really reach out to you guys. Okay.
And take over na si
Okay lang.
Mikael kasi
Okay
ang
lang.
mag-type, ang bagal-bagal ko mag-type.
Okay lang. Oh, ayan oh. Ang dami na kaagad oh.
Okay.
Load more.
Ano yun? May nagtanong siya, what's your all-time favorite? Ano yun?
Teka lang, ito naman sa
Isang refresh eh.
Mahirap po ba maging typist for 3 persons?
Yes! Yes!
Yes!
All caps pa talaga.
All caps pa.
Okay, game. I like this question. 158 from...
Rocky?
Yes, my favorite firewoman, Rocky. Hello. She's a firewoman.
Wow. Really?
Really?
Yeah. She
Oh,
always tweets, I love her because, ever since the start of Sahin, she started tweeting.
Mm-hmm.
And naaliw talaga ako na firewoman siya. And then may tweets
Really?
talaga, oh no, I can't watch Sahin kasi may parang may
Kasi no,
urgent
yeah.
na
Oh, yeah,
atid
yeah.
sila. So,
Wow.
she is asking, what are our all-time favorite movies? So guys, why don't
Wow.
we give our
All-time.
audience
Wow,
some
wait.
good movies? Alam mo, mahaba ang
Categorize
usapan to.
natin.
So I'll give you like 3. Kasi I'm
3?
sure you can name 3 off the top
Wow.
of your head. Andrea, kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo.
3.
3.
Parang pick yung movies ko kasi pang girls.
Hindi. Tama yan, di ba? Different
we will judge your
segments.
personality.
Ito, you will have movies from the bad boy na good boy naman talaga. And then, ito
Magulat
yung
ka, dami mo naisip.
from the Barbie doll.
Really girly
And
eh.
then from the geek. Diba? So, okay, game. You guys start. I'll try and answer the other questions.
I'll go for Braveheart.
Okay.
Top
Freedom!
Why? I think we should explain it.
Freedom!
Bigyan natin ng konti teaser bakit
No,
maganda.
kasi, not for anything, but Mel Gibson when he did William Wallace, iba yung dating eh. No words can express how he portrayed that character. Minsan yung sa eksena lang, hindi na niya kailangan mag-dialogue. Ano lang eh, actions lang, madadala ka eh. And my top 3 would be 50 First Dates. Oh,
sige,
diba?
cute yan.
Woo!
May
Bakit?
ganun.
No, kasi if I were
may ano yun eh.
kunyari in real life, if I were to be in Adam Sandler's character, wow. I would do the same. Kung halimbawa may ganun na
Yes.
yung pag-iisip or hindi siya maka-remember. Wow, iba. I cry so many times. Every time I watch it, umiyak pa rin ako.
And can I say, I
Lord of the Rings.
I agree with 50 First Dates.
Solid.
Oh.
So, i-agree natin with girls kapag kailangan natin mag-DVD marathon. Pwede pala yun. Papasok yun sa mga girls.
Pasok yun, may kakategorize. Ang dami kasi, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, ang dami. What do you call this? The Godfather! Isa pa yun. Sorry
Parang nahihiya talaga ka.
So, ano ba sa'yo?
Hindi akin. Gusto ko kasi yung mga feel... Gusto ko yung mga feel-good na movie.
Shaolin Soccer.
Oh!
Ay,
yeah.
Hindi yun.
Oo, maganda yun.
Gusto ko yung... Like ko yung ulit yung Mean Girls.
Regina George?
Sinasabihin mo pa yung linya.
Ano ba yung lines niya? Parang, why are you something if you're from Africa?
Why are you white?
alam mo, hindi siya naglilinya, pero alam niya yan. For sure, alam niya yung mga linya doon.
Alam ko
Okay,
yan.
sample, give me 2 of your
Alam ko yan.
favorite lines from Mean Girls.
Sige, go.
And kailangan in character and with you.
Ano ba?
Hindi, kailangan. Kaya mo yan, favorite movie mo yan. All time yan eh, all time. Go.
One line from Regina George.
From Regina George?
Regina George.
Hindi ako naalala ko yung Regina George. How do I begin to explain Regina George? Sunod-sunod na yan, sunod-sunod.
Okay.
Huwag yun na ako palingin. Kasi, Mean Girls, tapos, yung Davao. Ang sweet kasi nung lalaki dun eh. Parang something like 50 First Date. Parang ba yun?
Channing to, di ba?
Mm.
Ano, di ba?
Naiyak ako doon.
Oh, tama.
Ang sweet kasi so effort talaga siya.
Wala akong choice, I'd watch it eh. Para maging in ako sa...
Pinanood ko yun bago magsain na kasi nga yun yung parang ang romantic for me.
Sana nag-broken vow ka na lang.
Yeah!
Sana yun yung pinanood mo.
Tapos, ano pa ba? Devil Wears Prada.
Yung na?
Ano? Maganda.
Na-insulto ang ating movie ba
Maraming-
sa choices ni Andrea Torres.
Di ba naman sinabi ko?
Maraming girls na mag-a-agree
Lord
talaga
of
sa
the
mga
Rings.
favorite movies ko.
Devil Wears Prada.
Hindi kasi lahat kayo ulit-ulit sa bahay. Yung tatlong yun.
Sana yung ano na lang, si Isla Fisher. Ano yun? Shopaholic?
Confessions of a
Oo.
Shopaholic. Okay din yun.
Bagay, Devil Wears Prada.
Maganda kaya yun.
Agree ba sila?
Okay,
Ikaw,
guys,
ah,
tweet all of us kung agree kayo sa movie choices ni Andrea E. Torres. I will tweet about it and reply to me.
All-time
Sabi
can we
ko
have-
pa kasi
can we
lalaki
have-
kayo eh!
Okay, guys, can we recap? Help me recap. Ano yung first one niya? Mean Girls.
Mean Girls.
I will tweet this. Mean
Kasi
Girls.
lalaki
Ano yung next
kayo
one?
kaya
Ano, Katie Harrens.
What is the second one?
The Vow.
Oh, tsaka.
The Vow?
The Vow.
The Vow?
The Vow!
The Vow? The Vow?
Lumabas na ba yun?
Lumabas ka na! Labas!
Gusto ko pa yung Dear John. Tsaka
The Vow,
The Notebook.
maganda. Okay rin yung The Notebook. Naiyak din ako. Naiyak din ako. Maganda rin yung The Vow. Kalevel siya ng The Notebook. Diba?
Sige.
Sweet din.
Pero ito yung classic.
Okay, okay.
Devil Wears Prada. All-time favorite.
Si Vinny Chase.
Mas gugustuhin ko pa yung Madagascar 1
Bakit
and 2.
di ba inaano yung favorite movies ko?
Sige, sige.
Guys, kasi kayo,
Tama.
kaya hindi niyo ma...
Pwede.
Okay, guys, me. My turn.
Ikaw,
Ay,
yan. Go.
Okay, I have to say off the top of my head, the first movie, that's actually a movie trilogy that came to mind. Batman of Christopher Nolan. I'm sorry, I am such a fan.
Yeah? Yeah.
Heath Ledger okay, the first one made Batman epic again. It made Batman
Yep.
cool again, that dark gritty version. Lahat sumabay doon. Trendsetter, yo. Trendsetter. Second one, Heath Ledger. Need I say more? The Joker.
Yep.
Oh my
Ay, oo,
God.
yun, grabe.
Oh my God. I watched it again right after I watched the third one, and I was like,
Mhm.
I'm gonna leave Heath
Yeah.
Ledger. But actually, not just Heath Ledger. People say he was just so great, but the movie as a whole was just amazing also. Tapos, of course, the third one.
Paano talaga?
I loved it.
So much.
Yeah.
Diba? And of course, Marion Cotillard is there. Hot mom. Hot mom. No, but there, I love that. I love that trilogy. So, count it as one lang yan. Bakit yung movies nila? Okay, okay, I'll dig way back para may iba naman, diba? To make way for Space Jam. Space Jam.
Oh,
Ay, manood ka!
Space
Talaga,
Jam.
favorite mo
Space
yun?
Jam! Come on, guys! I love Space Jam!
Yeah.
The first basketball movie that didn't suck. Well, you know, it's good.
Ganda naman ng blue chip ah.
Okay, pwede.
Shaquille O'Neal
Diba?
yan.
MJ, diba? MJ. Other movies that I really enjoyed.
Third.
I like The Rock by
Yeah.
Nicolas Cage.
And Sean Connery.
Sean Connery.
Natangi ko pinapanood.
Guys,
Pinapanood
The
yung
Rock
mga
was-
chick flicks lang.
That
Oh,
was-
Con Air. Pareho yun.
Yes.
The Rock,
Yes,
Con Air.
The Rock and Con Air around the same time frame.
Yeah.
Ito yung era of great action
Yeah.
movies.
Dude.
Oh, diba
The
pare
Rock,
ibang klase.
Con Air.
So, thank you for joining me and
I'm
Jackie
sure-
Eigenman in this
I'm
segment
sure
of
yung pang-aman
favorite
nito ba?
all-time movies.
Yeah.
Because, diba, The Rock and Con Air, that's just amazing.
Pero di. Devil Wears Prada. Enough said.
What's wrong with Devil Wears Prada?
Oh, and guys, I think another epic one that really started things off also was 300. 300, which is so
Hindi ko na
excellently
pa
made in terms of
Frank
production
Miller?
values.
Frank
And in
Miller?
terms of art, yung
Parang ang
art
behind
nila
ko tuloy sa
doon.
mga movie.
Galing!
You need to watch. You need to watch
Galing.
more.
And can I just recommend something for both of you also, and the viewers? One is Like Crazy. It's an
Okay.
indie film
Yeah.
that entered the Sundance competition
Yeah.
last year. And
Yung
Best-
Juno, maganda rin.
best rom-com of best rom-com of 2011. In my opinion, hey, Juno wasn't a bad movie, but
Oh, maganda
you
yun.
watch like crazy. I'm not kidding. Galing talaga. And when you find out how they made it, no script or just ang galing.
No script?
No script. No script. It was really it was such a great movie.
Ganda idea.
And it was made with your digital SLR lang. Galing. And it won a couple of awards. And Felicity Jones was there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like crazy. I like
Like crazy.
Hachiko. You like Hachiko?
Ayun, gusto ko
I
yun.
heard about
Nakakaya
that. I haven't been able to
Nakakaya
watch it.
yun.
And then I think
Yung meron siyang may binild silang parang statue ni Hachiko.
Mm.
See, I know that.
baka ma-nosebleed ka sa movies. No, okay. One more thing. For me, who's the most kick-ass Hollywood movie actor now? Liam Neeson.
Yeah, hands down.
Ako.
Aslan, Zeus.
He has this new movie which was pretty cool. It was very under the radar. Hindi papakita dito kasi hindi naman relevant sa Pilipinas. The Grey.
The Grey, I've seen it.
Yeah, I liked it. And when
Maganda.
na-excite ako kasi I watched
Seen
it
The
right
Grey.
after I saw the Taken 2
Did
trailer.
you know that Taken 2 is coming?
No.
They're gonna do it?
Yeah, no, I saw the trailer. It's coming out soon.
Taken 2.
Diba? Or the,
Who would want to
hindi niya
kidnap
siguro-
his
hindi niya
daughter?
siguro-
Hindi mo makarelate.
Ano, Sleepless in Seattle tayo. Or,
You Got Mail.
ano pa ba to?
You Got Mail yung email, no? Kakastart
You Got
lang ng
Mail.
email nun. Ngayon parang wala. Parang old school na yung email ngayon eh. You Got Favorite Movies. Oh.
Ano ba?
What
Maganda
can you
yung
say?
Devil Wears Prada.
Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, like I said, one more time, follow us on Twitter at Miguel Diaz, at Andre E. Torres, and at Gabby
Gabby
Eigenman.
Eigenman, yeah.
I just tweeted something and I want your comments on it. So, just keep on going. Okay, now back to the questions na hindi na natin nasagot.
Nga, ano yung movies ko eh?
I like this segment of asking the movies, diba? Nalalaman mo yung lalim ng tao.
Sabi ko nga, dito natin ma-judge ang personality ng isang tao.
Oo.
Very
diba?
light kasi yung personality ko.
Judge na. Very, very light.
Gusto ko
Ganito
magaan.
ganito kalike.
Hanggang Devil Wears Prada. So, hindi ako makaget over. Dalawang beses na ako nag-walkout.
So, okay, let's see. What else do we have here? We have more
Ay,
questions.
sain na raw!
Sign up.
Okay, guys, sign na. Teka lang. Ano
Habang
ba
nag-live
papanoorin
chat,
ko lang?
i-on nyo yung TV nyo.
Ay, oo nga,
Yeah.
pwede pala yun.
Try multitasking.
O, di ba? Habang umi-eksena kaming tatlo,
Umi-extra.
kausap niyo pa rin kami dito.
Why not?
Iba yan.
Oo,
Okay.
Palabas na.
big scene ngayon
To
sa
Gabriel John Celebre.
Wow.
Uy, parang
Ay, Gilman.
Buong pangalan pa.
Salamat talaga. Okay, this is from
Maria Angela.
Okay, she knows your full name.
Yeah.
So, actually, what are our full names? So, how do you pronounce that? I don't
Gabriel.
know.
Gabriel
John.
John. I am Michael Stefano.
Andrea Elizabeth.
She is Andrea Elizabeth Devil Wears Prada Torres. Yun yung middle name niya.
Ano ba?
Pinasok niya.
Andrea Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Okay,
Favorite cartoon
cartoon
character?
character.
Wow!
Go.
Meron pa ba?
Dami niya.
Ako,
Ay, sa
I'm just gonna
collection
start na
mo.
kasi lagi ko kasi pinapuuna. Dali na to para sa akin eh. Son Goku. Super Saiyan 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ako, unpredictable yung
Fans of
akin.
Dragon Ball Z, tweet me. I wanna know who the fans are out there. Yeah. Pinanood ko yan, all 280 episodes. Depending on what
Seryoso?
version you guys get. And then the Dragon Ball GT series had around 40 episodes. Then the Dragon Ball series nung bata si Goku had around, I think,
Yeah.
close to 100
Big talaga,
episodes.
yeah.
At pinapagtawanan na ako ng GMA NMI kasi alam ko yung mga yun. I'm proud of it, it's my childhood. So guys, you have questions about Dragon Ball Z, I will happily answer them for you. Yung mga power levels, alam ko rin yun. Diba? So, okay, sorry, got carried away.
Cartoon ka. Ako, ikaw, meron ba?
Predictable yung akin eh. Hello Kitty. Ikaw na nga magsagot kasi.
I'm gonna walk out.
Ang bully
Sorry,
nyo.
sorry.
And I'm sa kama. Ba't kayo ganyan? Ako na nga mag-answer. Umupo ka dyan. What is
Okay, ako, Droopy. Oh,
Droopy? Wow! Oh, unexpected yun! First time I've heard that answer.
Droopy.
Droopy.
Classic yun.
Okay, where did you come out? Cartoon Network, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Nung ano
No,
siya.
yung
Remake
binalik ulit.
siya.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
goofy.
Classic.
I don't know if you guys watch, no Sky Cable, may iChannel eh. You know Amigo? You know Amigo, he was parang yung filler lang siya in between shows. I love that one. And then I also remember watching Felix the Cat and Captain Planet. Good stuff.
Visionaries, Centurions.
Centurions.
Yeah.
Okay yun, okay
No,
yun.
sige, balik na rin tayo sa He-Man, Thundercats. Yo, Joe!
Yung Thundercats, iba na yung meaning ngayon ng Thundercats.
Thunders.
Yung dalawang to.
Mahirap ba kami kausap?
Thundercats. Iba na yung meaning na to.
O eto, sagutin mo. Kuya Mikael, kamusta po katrabaho si Andre?
Hindi ako mahingi.
Gusto niyo privacy?
Nalakan. I like working with Andre, of course. From day one, from the first time we were... Yeah! Sige nga. No, but really, diba, from the first time we met naman, sinabi ko na maganda yung off-screen and on-screen chemistry namin. So it's very fun, and it's not just her naman that I work with the whole cast, and like I said, maganda yung relationship namin. Right?
Pang ilan na yan?
6.
Diba?
6 ata. 5.
Oh yes, guys,
Speaking of po,
what's your favorite food,
what's your favorite
Mikael?
food?
Pasta and rice.
Sige, let me think of one lang halo-halo, lechon steak, pizza,
As in one food.
calzone, siomai, shark fin siomai, hakaw,
Ang
chow
dami!
rice, ano pa ba? Xiaolong bao.
Lahat na. Mahilig siya kumain, period.
Guys, I love food, I'm not kidding. You know, kwento lang, after that Cosmo Bash actually, dumiretso sa North Park, and kumain ako ng
Okay ka.
isang short order ng Yang Chow na medyo mga ganyang kalaki. Tapos 16 pieces of siomai.
16?
Oo. And then afternoon, na-realize, after I ate everything, in around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, na-realize ko na napakasamang idea pala. Kasi hindi ako nakaalis ng North Park. Nandun lang ako. Sabi ko, 30 minutes.
Food coma.
Nabigla. Sobrang bigla.
Oo,
From
kasi-
kamote.
Kasi
and
sumikit na yung
everything.
chan ko, lumiit na yung space eh. So akala ko, normal eating habits kaya ko pa. Tinodo ko. Bad man.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
Favorite food.
All time, ha? Devil Restaurant. Food to, food.
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Ako,
Happy
ano mo?
food ko yun. Happy.
Ako, it's not healthy, pero I can live and survive with bacon.
Bacon?
Bacon.
You know what?
Ano gusto mo lutuin? Tosta?
Or yung
Tosta sa
malambot?
gilid, tapos chew in the
Sa-
middle.
Okay, I also like the way
Grabe.
that bacon, eating bacon that way, yung tosta sa gilid, tapos
Yeah, yeah.
chewy sa loob. Pero, do you like yours honey cure? Do you like yours
It doesn't
na may
matter. It's
maple
bacon.
syrup? So, okay lang kahit.
Okay lang kahit ano.
May mga ganun talaga. I've met a lot of people na na-addict talaga sa bacon.
Bacon.
Like for
Breakfast,
some
lunch, dinner,
reason,
kaya ko yan.
para sa kanila, pinapapak lang nila yung bacon.
Yeah.
Tapos all day, parang dire-diretso
Walang
lang.
sawa.
No, I'll share a story. When I was young, like 16, buffet. Isang tray ng bacon. Buffet eh. Half of it, ako lang. Sakit
Yun yung ginaya mo sa
sakit
buong
ng bato
buffet.
ko. Balik ako sa hotel room eh. We were like in Montemar Beach Resort. Half nun, ako lang oh. Balik ako sa kwarto, sakit ng
Grabe
bato.
yun. Gusto ko sa gawin tosta. Lahat.
Tosta, yeah.
Lahat. Tosta.
Shut up. Speaking of,
Ano?
gusto mag-order ng
Oh, and by the way,
Ano
guys,
ba,
just so you
question?
guys know, I hope you guys all support the I Am for Peace campaign of the government. Of the
Oh,
PAP.
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
you know, I think,
Ambassador.
actually, I will let you guys know na I want to invite you guys to join it because, you know, the whole nation should be a part of this campaign.
Mhm.
You know, it's a campaign promoting peace. And basically, once you say, you know, I am Miguel Diaz, I am for peace, you're part of it. You know, we'll let you know, and I hope you guys can join the activities. So,
Mhm.
Andrea,
I'm,
why don't you introduce yourself and say, I am for peace.
I'm Andrea Torres. I am for peace.
Nice. I am Gabby Ayman and I am for peace.
Yes, so we are all part
Sure.
of the I am for peace. And we are all for peace.
For
Yes.
peace.
Yeah, so that's a really, that campaign is really close to my heart kasi it's something I really believe in, and I know a lot of people really believe in. So I really just want to get it out there. So for all of you guys, just tweet all of us.
Yes.
Send a tweet. Doesn't matter who is. Say I am for peace. Because hey, getting the word out there, that's the first step sa mission natin. So
Yes, that's
just wanted to bring that out there. Because if you're for peace, you're complete. And when you're complete, you take Centrum. So Centrum is complete. So take Centrum so you're complete. You're a complete peace ambassador. Yes! Yes! And then when you're complete, you're healthy. And when you're healthy, you want to eat good food. And what is better than a Jollibee champ?
Ay, nako! String of
Oh my God!
Wala,
Ano
ano,
nangyari doon?
Di ba
Na-plug ko lahat ng mga sponsors
Di ba
ko, no?
napunta yung Naga? Punta kami ng Naga, pumunta talaga siya ng Centrum dahil wala, nakalimutan niya magdala. In fairness to me.
Diba? Natawa talaga si Gabi.
Ay, nako!
Pinapagtawa na naman ako ng GMA Anime. Guys, I don't think ipapabalik ako ng GMA Anime. Bawal na yata ako dito. Nakikita ko na ini-excuse na yung pangalan ko dun sa
Ban.
poster.
Pwede.
So guys,
Pwede na dito yung mga nanonood ng Devil Wears
magra-rally
Prada.
tayo Magra-rally tayo dito sa labas ng GMA. Okay?
Ay, may natatanong. What is your motto in
Ayan, maganda po. Ayun, pwede yun. Maganda yung 199.
199?
Mikael!
What is Vegeta's younger brother's name?
Loko ka! Wait! Na-challenge ako doon! Wait! Okay, wait. Okay, si Vegeta, Dragon Ball, siya yung villain during the first half of Dragon Ball Z. Yung kasama niya, yung henchman niya, right-hand man, name was Nappa, he was the bald one. Yung dad niya was King something from the Saiyan race. Vegeta had a son and a wife. Wife was Bulma, the son was Trunks, and dude, walang younger brother, niloloko mo ako eh. Siya yung prince na eh.
Younger
Siya yung
brother.
prince of the
Tama.
Saiyan race. So siya na yung siya yung next in line. So siya yung eldest. So may younger brother ba siya? Wala. Trick question bro, trick question. Wala ang younger brother si
Wala.
Vegeta. Pero i-research ko dito. Research ko.
I-research na natin, research natin.
Go. Ikaw, ina na sa
Meron
kabila.
eh. Meron daw.
Okay. Younger brother of Vegeta.
Younger.
Lumaban yung magkano.
Correct. Oh.
Does not. Ay, meron! Ito.
Ayan o.
Tarball.
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 Okay. You know what? Okay. I don't know, pero maybe, before looking at that,
Ay, itsura niya,
it's possible that Tarball was in one of the movies kasi minsan yung movies parang separate
Yes.
universe, parang comics.
Diba? Yeah.
Ayan siya,
Yeah.
Oh, tama ako. He makes his debut in the animated feature. That's not part of the original storyline. Excuse me. I got it right. So,
Fine.
no, okay.
Galing Ang dami mong minention na pangalan
I will not be tricked. I will not be fooled.
So, did you like the movie?
I didn't watch that animated feature.
Hindi,
kasi-
yung movie. That
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball.
Okay, guys, actually, Gabi Eigenman, there are actually 12 or 13 Dragon Ball Z movies.
American version.
So,
American
yeah, there were around 3 that were Americanized. I like all 3. There was actually there was the cool version, and then I forget the plots of the other 2, but they were all pretty good. I enjoyed the. Not all of the movies were good though. I watched the dubbed ones also.
Okay.
Talaga?
Oo.
Grabe.
I watched the dubbed ones, but not all of them were good. I'd say maybe around half lang.
Piccolo lang kilala ko dun eh.
Madragon, magkaka-DBC teleserye ba tayo?
Piccolo lang kilala ko dun.
Ito, i-greet natin siya.
Birthday niya, bukas.
Ay, ikaw na yun! Ayan.
Nag-react ka agad. Advance happy birthday to Bochik Estrada.
Birthday niya bukas!
Siya yung nangungudit
Birthday!
lagi. Picture. Ano?
Happy birthday.
I've known her for a while already. When was the first time we met? Earlier this year, I think. Earlier this year. I
Sorry
remember.
ko.
Story ko.
So,
Yay, bukas na pala.
Happy birthday. sa
Bochik
dad ko.
Estrada of GMA NMI.
Yes, happy birthday!
Without her, hindi rin siguro mangyayari to.
Yes.
Happy
Siya
birthday.
ang nagpipicture. Diba? Siya ang responsible ng mga
Puro candid. Diba? Ano pa?
Ayun nga, what's your motto? What is your motto?
I have 2. Seize the day, and it doesn't matter how many breaths you take. But what matters are the moments that they give us.
Maganda yun.
For me, those two lines.
Wow.
Maganda yun.
And my third one, I have a third one. Work hard, play hard.
Di talaga party hard play.
Play hard, play hard. No, because that was the motto of my dad. So yung gumawa ng slogan nun when he was in high school. Student council president siya. And then syempre, parang gumagawa ka ng motto for all the students to rally behind.
Yeah.
So yung motto niya was, labore dure, lure dure. I think that's Latin nung time ng dad ko. So work hard, play hard.
Ako ano, so what we get drunk?
So what we smoke?
We don't sleep.
Cigarettes.
We're just having fun.
Hello?
Ano yung afternoon?
Hi to...
Oh, wow.
Hi to Riza
Bornelia.
Bornelia.
So what we get drunk?
Mark
Lawrence. Kay
Bianca Bay. From Las Vegas.
from Las Vegas. Hey guys.
Pinky
Viva!
Porky!
Viva Las Vegas.
Oh,
Pinky Porky. Kay
May
May Joy
Joy
Lava.
Lava.
Charity Rose Ramos. Kay Carl. Freddy Flor. And happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to...
to May Valyada.
Ay, happy birthday.
Sino to?
Ay, nag-take.
Hi to Jeffrey Romel Lakatan. I would like to let you know that GMA did receive your application. And they are currently processing your interview.
Oh, this is fun.
I will recommend you. Jeffrey Lakatan.
Busin mo na to.
Okay na ako. So ano ba yung pizza counter natin? Ilan ba yung nakain ko? Hindi ko alam.
Seven.
Naka
Okay
7
na ako
ka
eh.
na.
Sige, so guys,
Equal
tweet
to...
one
Halos
of
isang
us.
box na yun, di ba?
Ilan ba yung nakain ko? Pero good na ako doon.
10 slices
Ano?
lang. Sa kanil 7.
Okay. Let's see, what else can we have here?
I
You know what,
don't-
maybe
ito-
next time if we come back, we can have like fan side segment for everyone.
Oo.
Diba? So, we have some kind of prize for our
Yeah.
live chat viewers. So, what else do we have here? Guys, just so everyone knows, I'm not sure when our next mall show is. Kakatapos lang ng SM Das Marinas mall show namin. But wala pa kasi kaming schedule for October, but I'm sure na maraming mangyayari. Although, on Thursday, I will be in Iligan, that's in Mindanao.
Oh, okay.
CDO. Tama ba?
Cecilia.
Yes, unfortunately, Cecilia has Chica Minute, so I will go on my own. I think I'm going to be with maybe Rochelle Pangilinan. And then we'll be
Yeah.
hosting an event for you guys. So whoever wants to drop by, say hi, let me know. And then maybe we can all just get together after.
While we're at it, October 17, huwag niyang kalimutan, Tik-Tik, the Aswang Chronicles. Support our
Original Carlos
friend, Ding Dong Dantes, and Miss Lovey po.
Yes, you know,
Ganda nun, ganda nun.
Love
Yeah.
Po is part of it. Ding Dong, yung production house yung gumawa, Agosto 2.
Yes.
And
Si LJ nandun, di ba?
LJ Reyes.
you know, for all the
there.
moviegoers
Yeah.
out there, for me, nakita ko na yung trailer, I was ultimately hooked kasi
Yeah.
ang galing na paggagawa ng story na
Check that out, YouTube, Tik-Tik.
Ang ganda, ang ganda ng trailer.
Very,
Aswang
may
Chronicles.
Filipinos touch talaga yung story, pero production value-wise, parang Hollywood,
Mhm.
to be honest.
Yes.
Yeah, oh yes,
Ah,
you can
nasa
check it out on
gmail.com.
gmail.com.
Yeah.
So you can check out the trailer there. I think GMA is, you know, may hand rin sila in distributing the film.
Yes,
Yeah,
of course.
happy
Oh, yeah, huwag niyang kalimutan yan.
Kasi, you
October
know,
17.
We all support each other here. GMA supports everything their artists do.
Yeah,
Almost everything.
While we're promoting it, mamaya, 6 o'clock ata may comic book signing sila sa National Bookstore sa Mega Mall. I think Ding Dong and Lovey would be there.
Also, it's based on a comic book.
Yeah, honestly. Yeah.
Or the comic book follow the movie.
No.
Comic book. Comic book.
Based
Comic
on
book
comic
movie.
book.
I think sabay ata release. Sabay.
Oh, okay.
Watch it. It's first
Yeah.
ever green screen
movie, you know, Filipino movie.
Oh, wow.
So,
Nagtapos na namin ako talagang
I think who else is there? LJ is there.
LJ, Lovey po.
Ramon Bautista, I think,
Ramon
is there.
Bautista. Wow, Joey De Leon.
Joey De Leon.
No, Joey Marquez.
No, Joey Marquez. Tama, Joey
Joey
Marquez is there.
Marquez.
Laughter yung mga eksena niya doon.
Yeah.
Ganda,
Let's watch
ganda.
it.
So, okay, now let's see. Let's refresh this because I think our time is going to be... How many more minutes do we have?
5 minutes.
We have 5 minutes left. I think we'll just answer a few
really?
more questions.
Bitin
And
naman.
let's see. Wait,
Bitin
maybe
ba?
I'll go to the bottom, and maybe after all of this, you know, I'll try to answer everything else. I'll try.
Mhm.
Diba? Before I hit the gym. Okay, ang dami na talaga. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Pansan.
Okay. Miss Andrea,
Ano?
pag niligawan ka po ba ni Kuya Mikael, may chance din po ba siya? At Miss Andrea, kung niligawan ka ni Gabi, may chance po ba siya? Dalawa na. Wala. So, yan yung mga tanong nila. Oh, ano sagot mo?
All gamot. Syempre, I'm very happy with my ka-love team. Talagang marami siyang traits na alam kong magugustuhan ng mga kababaihan. So,
You heard that. Nice. Space, please.
Tapos, yun lang.
Personal space.
Babasa lang ako ng mga questions.
ang dami kong nakatingin dito.
Okay, so actually there are a lot of other...
You guys have pets?
I have an English bulldog. His name is Chauncey.
Ikaw.
Ako, obsession ko, yung pet cat ko, si Andeng. Who acts like a person. Umuupo siya, tapos pag umihiga siya, nakahigang ganun.
Di ba yun ang pet name mo?
Andeng. Oh, yun ang Bisaya ng Andre.
Andeng.
Tsaka ang weird, pag kinakausap ko siya, sumasagot siya, nagmamiyaw siya.
Akala ko nag-yes and no siya eh.
Feel ko talaga, feeling niya tao siya.
Parang siya si Hello Kitty.
Pwede rin ganun.
I, on the other hand, I used to have a dog. And I don't know what kind of dog. I think it was a bull. No.
Mongrel?
A pug, yun.
Pug,
It was a
yeah.
pug.
Cute.
It was a pug, and then the name was Sophie. And, you know, it was just such an ugly dog that it was cute. Diba? Ang pangit niya. Pero sobrang kapangitan niya, naging cute. So may ganun factor siya. And, you know, unfortunately, someone in the family ran him over. But hey, I mean, shit happens. I don't know. There I had him, and now I go down to my garage, and fortunately, I found a Ascat. Usakal ba yun or Ascat? Ano ba tawag dyan?
Usakal.
That looks like Garfield.
Talaga?
So now I say hi to Garfield every day when I go down or when I come back from taping. So far, yun yung...
Patabain mo siya parang si Garfield.
Actually, payat si Garfield. So, nandun lang siya, and then like, because I set up my taping chair outside sa garage, doon ko siya iniiwan.
Okay.
Kinukuha na ni Garfield ang taping chair. Nakaupo siya doon. Kasi
Alam niyo ba,
malambot.
di ba pareho tayo ng taping chair?
Yeah,
Nakataon.
yeah.
Pareho ng taping chair.
Talaga? Hindi ko pa dinadala yung akin pareho tayong tatlo.
Ay, talaga? Pareho ba?
Actually, guys, we sleep on just one taping chair. That's why they all say we're the same. No, but there. So,
Inaabangan kita matulog, hindi kita maabangan.
hinabangan
Ayaw
mo?
mo ma-picture.
Hinabangan mo siya? Ba't
Pinipicture
ako
mo
hindi?
na lagi ako. Ikaw lagi kitang tulog, no?
Diyan lang kayo. Dito lang ako.
No,
Ito lang
guys,
naman
I have to
natutulog.
say, this was infinitely fun. It really was.
Fun, yeah.
Yes, Bitin.
Honestly,
Diba?
getting to know
So
more
dapat
about
talaga
you guys.
i-push na natin yung talk show.
Walang block yung camera. Pwede omega. Si Gabi pwede mag-walk out. Ako pwede ako kumain,
Right.
diba? I have my foot up here.
Because of
Alam mo,
COVID,
dapat
Devil
mag-set up
Wears
tayo
Prada.
ng TV dito na Devil Wears Prada.
No, but yeah, this is really fun.
Okay.
Okay, so guys,
Ito na.
dito na po nagtatapos ang masayang kwentuhan natin today. And really, thank you for all your questions. Thank you for watching us. And I really hope that we get to do this again. And that I'm allowed to do this again.
Oo naman.
Salamat po dahil talaga pinasaya ninyo kami sa aming kauna-unahang live chat. At yun nga, sana maulit-ulit. Tsaka thank you po sa lahat na nag-log on ngayon, pati na rin sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport ng SAI, lahat ng mga laging nakikijoin sa GMA live chat for this.
Thank you, chatters. At sana po huwag po kayo magsawa na sumubaybay at patuloy na gumagandang kwento ng Sana Ikaw na tuwing hapon sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Hanggang sa susunod na live chat, this is Gabby with Mikael and Andrea na nagsasabing Kita Kids!
Kita kids!
Ulit.
Tumeksa na!
Kaya nga siya yung mahuli.
Wala.